up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple TV 4. Now, I got this as a gift back in December for Christmas, and I have yet to open it. So today, I just felt like opening it finally, and yeah, let's see what we got. Now, the main reason why I didn't open this yet is because I was waiting for a jailbreak, and I'm gonna see like what firmware I'm running, and let me know if I'm eligible to jailbreak this. So I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. So let's get to it. There it is. Damn, the thing got some weight to it. It's pretty heavy, people. Alright, so that's one. Then we have the remote. It's pretty lightweight. I like the back of it. It reminds me of the first iPhone with the aluminum back. This will be the power cord, I'm guessing. Yep, power. Let's get started. Manual. This is basically simple instructions. And last, power cord. And inside here we have our HDMI. All right. So now, excuse me for my table. We will open this. If I can figure out how to open it. Let's see. Right here. Now, I've been dying to open this thing up since I got it. Just haven't got around to it. There you have it. All right. might just keep that sticker on the bottom. I'll just keep that on the bottom. Now I'm gonna plug this up and see how this works out. Alright, so got it plugged up. Now let's see what version I'm on. You see it, 9.0. So that means it can't be jailbroken. 32 HD. So now all I gotta do is get this thing jailbroken. From what I was told, I need a wire, a certain plug to go right here. So I have to go out and buy that today. Get this bad boy jailbroken and try and enjoy some free stuff. What's going on, YouTube? Jimmy Pinzero again for the third time. So after unboxing my Apple iTV, after plugging it up and seeing what firmware I was on and finding out that I was on 9.0 and I was eligible to get jailbroken, after finding out that I had to get a USB-C cable, I go to the store to go get it. Now, I told the guy specifically that I needed something to go from USB-C to just USB. And he sells me this. And everybody knows that the Apple stores are freaking packed, so I didn't feel like being in there all day. So I didn't even really look at it, which I should have. And basically, what I have here is this, which might be fine if my Mac was working, but my Mac is down. It needs a hard drive for 185 to get put in. I'm using a Windows computer right now, so I can't even plug this thing up because there's nowhere for me to plug it up at. That's out the way. I need a USB. That's what I need. So thanks a lot to Apple for selling me something that doesn't work. I'll have to bring that back. In the meantime, they're telling me that I can't use Windows, which I clicked this one over here. If this bar wasn't here, I could show you. Anyways, there's Windows, then it says download, then it says Apple TV over here. From the videos I've seen, this one's for Mac, this is for Windows. I'm installing it. It's on 40%. 19 minutes left. I'll let you guys know. I don't got the time to go back out there and buy a new one of these USB-Cs today. I'll probably go out there tomorrow, return this one. So, yep, that's it.